MCQ number 2. How much heat energy is gained when 5 kg of water at 20 degrees Celsius is brought to its boiling point? So, initial temperature of water is 20 degrees Celsius and final temperature is boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. So, initial T1 is equal to 20 degrees Celsius and T2 is equal to 100 degrees Celsius. Therefore, delta T is equal to 100 minus 20, that is equal to 80 degree Celsius. Okay, then what is given here? Specific heat capacity of water is equal to 4200 joule per kilogram per Kelvin or per degree Celsius, both are one and the same only. Okay, then the mass of water is 5 kg. So mass of the water M is equal to 5 kg. So what is the quantity of heat required for this? Now from calorimetry, the quantity of heat gained by water is equal to mass of water into specific heat capacity of water into the difference in temperature delta T. So this is now equal to 5 into 4200 into 80. So this is now equal to 80 into 5 is 400. So this is 400 multiplied by 4200. Now first I will multiply 4 with 42, then I will write into 10 power plus 4. So 42 into 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, followed by 4 zeros. So this much joule. Now this is 1680 into 10 to the power of 3 joule. Therefore Q is equal to 1680 kilojoule. So this is the expected answer. Now option A itself is a 1680 kilojoule. Therefore option A is the correct answer. Okay. This is also another very simple and easy problem. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.